Welcome back, everyone. The trade of the week is going to be a trade that goes against the trend. I think Apple is a little bit extended, and I want to place a bearish bet on Apple, and hopefully it works out for us. Please remember, these are not trade recommendations, suggestions, and I am not a financial advisor or a broker dealer. So if you like this trade and you execute it, you're on your own. But I hope you enjoy the trade of the week with Apple. So let's get to the trade of the week. I have set up the trade here previously for you guys that like speed, and here is as you can see, a short call vertical and a long put vertical, but don't worry, I'm gonna clear it out and we're gonna do it together. I just really love this Tastyworks platform. It's really an amazing platform, and it's super duper easy to use. And as you know, Tastyworks was created by the founders of Thinkorswim, which is another unbelievable trading product. So, like we were saying, we are bearish in Apple because Apple is now worth more than the whole planet Earth, more than any country, more than anything in the world. They could actually buy the whole S&P 500. So the trade that I want to do is a bearish trade, but I want to finance that trade with another trade. So let's start with our bearish trade. I want to buy a long put vertical. As you can see, the Tastyworks platform gives us this brown little area that is the expected move. We're gonna do it 40 days out, and we're going to choose a 10 wide long put vertical. I'm going to start by buying this one here, and I'm going to go all the way to the edge of the shaded gray area. And this 10 wide long put vertical costs us $2.50. And this trade by itself actually has a very low probability of profit, only 30% probability of profit, and we have a negative $250 extrinsic value, which of course, if you guys watch Tasty Trade or you know how to trade derivatives, you know this is a very low probability trade, and it's not a trade we should do. So how do we convert this long put vertical into a proper trade? So what I would do is I would go, here's the at the money price, I would sell a call, which is right outside the money, and then I would buy another call above it, because you know why? Because I'm not crazy. I'm not going to sell a naked call in Apple. And look what we did. All of a sudden, we don't have a debit, we have a credit. So if we do this trade, we're going to collect $1.85. And since the width of our wings is only $10, that means we could only make or lose $10. If Apple keeps going up, we would lose the $10, but we would have to subtract the $1.85. So we would only lose about $8.15 in this trade. And we already raised the probability of profit to more than 50%. And the probability that we make 50% profit on our money went up to 64%. Now, for you guys that are more visual, I'm going to set up this trade visually for you. Here you can see this red dot is where Apple is trading right now, 444, and we actually sold the 445 and protected ourselves with a 455. And the green area is our win zone. That means we can win if Apple is around 446.85 and all the way down. And we will probably make our maximum profit, of course, if Apple finishes below 405. Of course, no one thinks that Apple is going to finish below 405. In fact, everybody thinks that Apple is going to finish probably around $500 or $600, especially at the end of August. They're going to split the stock 4 for 1, which will make it easier for the Robin Hoodies or the Dow traders to trade it. So if you like this trade, you start by selling an out of the money short call vertical in order to finance your long put vertical. And hopefully Apple will have a down week. We can take our 50% profit. The maximum profit for this trade would be the $10 here plus the $185. So I'm looking to make around $3 or $4 in this trade. If I have a $3 or $4 profit and the trading gods give me that opportunity, I'm gonna take it and run with it, and maybe take the wife out for some pizza night or a nice taco al pastor that I enjoy very much. Thank you very much for watching my trade of the week. Remember, this is not financial advice. I am not recommending you guys do this trade. Trading derivatives has significant risk, especially if you don't know what you're doing. And so if you do this trade, you do it at your own risk. Thank you very much. Please, if you like this video, click like, click subscribe, because it helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I hope everyone makes a lot of money next week. Remember, you gotta risk it to get the biscuit.